PM Modi on Monday sent out a strong message to United States President Donald Trump amid Trump tariffs, reaffirming that interests of farmers, small-scale industries remain paramount to the central government. He mentioned that the pressure on it could increase. However, they will bear that, allowing no harm to come. All of you are witnessing the kind of politics driven by economic self-interest that is happening in the world today. From this land of Ahmedabad, I would like to say to my small entrepreneurs, to the shopkeepers, to the farmers and cattle rearers, my government will not allow any harm to come to small entrepreneurs, to farmers or to cattle rearers. Listen to what Prime Minister said.
आप सभी आज दुनिया में आर्थिक स्वार्थ वाली राजनीति सबको अपना करने में लगा है। मैं अहमदाबाद की इस धरती से अपने लघु उद्यमियों से कहूंगा, मेरे छोटे छोटे दुकानदार भाई बहनों से कहूंगा, मेरे किसान भाइयों से कहूंगा, मेरे पशुपालक भाई बहन से कहूंगा, और मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं, मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी।
So there you heard Prime Minister Modi once again reiterating what he had earlier said on the centenary of MS Swaminathan, that he is not going to put farmers, people associated with the dairy and MSMEs in the harm's way. Once again, he's reiterating it from Gujarat. My colleague Payal Mehta is joining us on the phone line. Payal, tell us about the importance of Prime Minister's reiteration coming from Gujarat, because we know that MSME sector is hugely there, and also, of course, the first bill cooperative has also emerged from Anand.
Well, the Prime Minister clarifying it very, very clearly once again that there are certain sectors which are non-negotiable, whether it's the agricultural sector, MSME sector, sectors of dairy. Of course, these are the factors which are non-negotiable. There are multiple talks that are doing the rounds, in terms of what Donald Trump has been up to and how he's been threatening various countries, including India. Earlier also, when he was speaking at the centenary celebrations of Swaminathan, the Prime Minister said very clearly that even if a price has to be paid, Arun, we are ready to pay that price. I am ready to pay that price, but I will not let my countrymen down.